Are you someone who's starting their journey into product management? Or you're interviewing for a product role and want to get ahead? In this video, I will explain 10 concepts and terms that you need to know to get ahead in your journey. So stay tuned and let's get started. Number 1. Product roadmap. This is a visual depiction of a product strategy and long-term development plan. So this helps product managers to bring on board everybody on what the product vision is, what is the plan, and what is the path for this product. There are certain formats that are typically used and I have shown them here. The next concept is product life cycle. A product life cycle is the progression of stages from ideation to retirement of a product. There are typically 4 stages: introduction, growth, maturity, and then decline. Every product stage will have different plans, demands, critical risks that need to be seen. Hence, to make proper choices at each stage, product managers must understand the product life cycle. Number 3 is product portfolio. This is the range of products or services that a business provides to its customers. To make sure that each product helps the organization achieve its overall objectives, product managers must manage this portfolio very effectively. They must choose which items to add, which to retire, and which products to invest in. Number 4 is product differentiation. This is nothing but how you are making your product stand out from your rivals. Product managers must make sure that the products stand out from the competition by being distinctive, unique, and providing a compelling value proposition. The next one is MVP, minimum viable product. This is the simplest version of the product with minimum features that can be launched into a market to the customers. To test the product viability, obtain user feedback, product managers need to create an MVP. This is typically used in Agile Methodology, which will come next. Number 6 is Agile Methodology. Agile is a project management strategy that places a focus on adaptability, teamwork, and continuous improvements. To guarantee a successful and efficient product development process, product managers adopt an agile approach. Now we come to some market terminology. Number 7 is market segmentation. This is the process of breaking a market down into smaller groups of consumers with comparable needs or characteristics. This is done to ensure that your product satisfies the needs of a particular client segment and a particular market. Number 8 is competitive analysis. This is nothing but a process of identifying and evaluating the strengths and weaknesses of your competitors. To make sure that their goods have a competitive edge, product managers must be aware of the competitive landscape, and hence it's a very important exercise. Number 9. Data-driven decision making. This is basically making decisions based on data rather than a gut feeling or speculation. Product managers must rely on data to guide their choices, guarantee that the final product satisfies the needs of the customer and adds value to the company. And that's why it's very critical. This is the last, but it's actually the most important one: customer-centric approach. Putting the customer at center of everything you do is part of customer-centric strategy and very, very important for product managers. The product managers must recognize and comprehend the client needs in order to transform them into a product, and that is what guides the development. That is all for today. I will be back next week with my new video. Bye.